Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's time now to start thinking about planting summer flowering bulbs, corms and tubers. Hard to beat gladioli. Gladioli are plural, gladiolus is singular. You'll find them under gladiolus or gladioli in the web shop. And there are a whole range of colours, all worth finding a spot for. A variety called Sweet Blue, Nova Lux, Princess is orange. Look at Greyhound, this fantastic array of colours, purples, light purples and wine. And then Priscilla, lovely mix of colours there. Broken Hearted Frizzle, nice wavy petals. White Prosperity. Peter Pear's is a good orange. Wine and Rose is gorgeous as well. Blue Isle and New Buggy and many, many more. All planted from corms or bulbs like that, pointed end up, that end down, and down around 3 or 4 inches in the soil. You can start them off in pots and containers if you feel your soil is wet and ready for planting out in a few weeks when the soil is drier, and of course they flower in summer and early autumn. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.